Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I refresh my Bohemian locks. So if you got locks or braids and they got these little curly pieces, baby girl, this is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to refresh it, how to maintain it, and how to put them curls back if they come out, okay? So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Let's talk Bohemian curly locks protective style maintenance. Okay, this time I did virgin hair, so I bought some bundles from Eunice Hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I've already been on vacation to Miami, all those things. I will say I done had probably about a bundle of hair, like exit stage left, from just trying to finger detangle and like pulling out the curls. I like to use a foam mousse or a moisturizer. So I have the Mielle rice water. This is their rice water and aloe vera braid set foam. Get the curly piece wet, right? And then from there, I like to start detangling from the bottom. But when you detangle, you gotta make sure you hold like where the curly hair is attached. Because if you just hold from anywhere, you won't pull the whole piece out. If you want to go the extra mile and make sure like every curl is detangled like this, you can. But I feel like that makes sure you lose more hair as far as how much hair comes out when you start brushing them off. So what I like to do is just put that foam mousse on it. And then we gonna go ahead and do like the TikTok girly said and get you some Gorilla Snot or Got To Be glue, gelling the curly pieces. That way they already like stuck together, so they shouldn't tangle up too bad. Now if you anything like a lazy natural like me, and you don't feel like going through, you know, one by one, lock by lock, I would recommend doing how I like to do, which is just focus on the perimeter of the hair, so what's going to be showing. I also went white water rafting, so my curls are definitely like showing their curly side because they were a little wet. You don't pull too hard because you'll pull the whole piece out, honey. So another maintenance tip that I recommend, and this will also depend on, you know, the length of the hair that you got in. So say you have a whole strand like this come out and you want to put it back in where it's like secure. So what I'm gonna do is take my crochet needle, go through the lock, almost like if you was braiding it in. So just a little bit on one side and a lot of bit on the other. Pull just the loop through. Before even taking it off, I'm gonna open up the crochet needle again and hook all of the hair on the end of the hook and pull it through the loop. Now once you pull it through the loop, it's hooked on around the hair, back through the lock, put all the hair on it like that, close it, and then we're gonna pull the all the hair back through. Hopefully y'all can see that. So then when you brush it and everything, it shouldn't come out. You gotta maintain these curly pieces at some point or it's just gonna look like a matted mess. Alright, so after I do that, which that only took about 10 minutes, this side is pretty much done. I like to go ahead and foam mousse the top of my head. I usually do my baby hairs before I do this, but this isn't my spritz, but I'm just gonna take this spray wax from Got To Be and spray it on top. And then if you got time to blow dry, you can blow dry it down to make sure we looking nice and clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my baby hairs. Taking my Got To Be, I feel like Got To Be glue makes my baby hairs last more than one day, so I like doing that. And then I wash it like when I wash my face. Alright, so once I like my baby hairs, sometimes I like to do a little setting spray, make sure they stay, and do a little foam mousse action before I put my headscarf down to make sure All the flyaways and the curly cues are laid. This is the piece of the bottom of a cotton t-shirt. And then also I've been wearing my hair up in a ponytail, and I got these from Target, and they're like the hook and latch, like that you use if you're doing a pineapple. And I just hook it in my locks, wrap it around once, and hook the other end, and it gives me the most secure lock ponytail with all this hair. It also helps me do a bun as well. So if you're looking for a way to secure your locks in a ponytail or a bun, I link these in the description box. It's barely been a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Sometimes I don't like for it to get all the way dry, because then when you peel it off, like, your hair comes up with the scarf. So as you can see, the baby hairs are laid, and that is pretty much how I refresh my locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, just a quick way to refresh your Bohemian curls, whether you're wearing locks or braids, and how I do my baby hairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you still watching, girl, that means you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe, join the gym squad. And y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye, y'all.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, slim Reshae.